Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to identify the different parts of the AutoCAD workspace. On the upper portion, you can see the different draw toolbar. You can draw a line, a polyline, circle, arcs. You can also draw rectangle or polygon. You can draw ellipse. You can do hatch. And then this second part is actually the modify toolbar. You can move, you can copy, stretch, scale, mirror, rotate. You can trim, fillet, array. You can erase, explode, offset. The third part is actually annotation or the dimensioning. You can create text here. You can create dimensions, different dimensions such as linear, angular, radius. The fourth part is layers. This is very important if you want to hide objects, so you can concentrate on the most important part of your drawing. You can also insert blocks. You can match properties. On this side is the visualization tool. You can view different points on your drawing using this visualization tool. Then you can also use the 2D wheel. You can use this to pan objects. You can use this to zoom, extend, orbit, and then show motion. On the bottom part, we have the command line. Within you can issue different commands. We have also here the model, layout tabs. And then here, we have display drawing grid. All of these are toggle. You can enable or disable. Auto mode, snap mode, auto mode. We have polar tracking, metric drawing, object snap tracking, the snap or object snap, and then the rest of the features. In your menus, you have the home here. You can do some insertion, insert, annotate, parametric. You can draw 3D tools. See, the 3D objects are here. If you want to extrude, resolve, loft, sweep, you can do visualization here. You can change the UCS in here if you want to change the top, bottom, left, right, front, back. And then the view mode allows you to change your viewports and manage, output, add-ins, collaborate with Express tools and other features. This button here allows you to minimize the ribbons also. By clicking this one, it will change from different types of ribbons. See? Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.